Hey drone here, check it out. I have a watt meter. Hobby Porter sent this to me, ToolkitRC, and I'm going to show you basic use and function of it. So if we go over here, we can see our display, which is right there. Try to focus on it. And you have current amp draw, which is 0.01. It is connected to something, the power is not on. And then you have your watts here, you have your voltmeter here, which is your voltage, capacity, and time that this has been running. As you can see, positive and negative from the 3S battery, which not generally, but which I've modified to run this off of. And then we have gator clips going from the out of this device to there. So I'm going to take my cell phone in hand here just to show you this display a little bit more. Hopefully that's really visible. So I'm going to turn on the drone. And as you can see, what it does there is showing 0.35 amps. It's drawing, I believe, 6 watts, and the voltage is at 12.4. So that's just on standby. Like that's with the drone not connected to anything. And we're going to go ahead and get the controller here. We're going to turn on the controller. Turning on the controller, we fluctuate. The amps are fluctuating a little bit just because now the drone itself is communicating with the controller, which probably takes a little bit of energy. So now we are going to go down and out. Fired the motors, and then here, motors are fired, and if you can see, 1.6, 2 amps, 20 watts. You can see the voltage over there is now at 12.4. I'm going to go ahead and throttle up. And you also get a visual diagram on the bottom. And we're at 42. If I tilt, like if I pitch left or right, we see less amp draw. That's because you're using, like when I'm pitching right, you're getting more out of these motors. So this is just a really neat device. There's many uses for this. Guys in the solar industry use these as a center point in between their solar panel to their battery. I guess I shut that down. That way they can monitor how much voltage is coming in and what the amp draw is off their battery and their devices. Guys, I'm J Drone. If you haven't subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Questions, comments, concerns down below. I will have a link for this down below. And there we go. There's a little bit of a look at the display. Later.